Imagine you're a hacker and you just scanned a server. Cool, you see open ports. But that's just the surface. What if you could go deeper? Find out the exact software running, its version, and even the operating system behind it. That's what we're unlocking today, Nmap's X-ray vision. 1. Service and version detection-SV. Let's start with version detection. This command will probe open ports and tell you what software is running. Nmap-SV 192.168.204.167. Boom. Not only do I see port 80 is open, but it's running Apache HTTPD 2.4.49. Why does this matter? Because if that version has a vulnerability, you just found an entry point. 2. Aggressive version detection-A. Want the full picture in one scan? Use aggressive mode. Nmap-A 192.168.204.167. This gives you version detection, OS detection, script scanning, tracer route. But warning, this is loud and any firewall or intrusion system will see it. Use it carefully. 3. OS detection-O. Nmap can fingerprint the operating system by analyzing network responses. Sudo nmap-o 192.168.204.167. If the system replies a certain way, Nmap can guess. This is Windows 10, or this is Linux 5.x. It's not 100% perfect, but most of the time, it's scary accurate. 4. Combining OS and version detection. You can also combine them for maximum detail. Sudo nmap sv 019.2.168.204.167. Now you know which ports are open, which services and versions are running, which operating system is behind it. That's basically a complete target profile. 5. Aggressive timing plus fingerprinting. And if you're scanning in a lab or with permission, you can add timing to speed things up. Sudo nmap-a-t 419.2.168.204.167. This gives fast results, but at the cost of stealth. Perfect for penetration tests in controlled environments. So today, you just unlocked the ability to detect software versions, fingerprint operating systems, combine scans for a full network profile. This is where scanning turns into target intelligence. And trust me, knowing the exact version of Apache, MySQL, or Windows running on a system is pure gold for hackers and pen testers. In the next video, we're diving into timing options and firewall evasion strategies, where you'll learn to fine-tune your scans like a sniper. If you're enjoying this hacking journey, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your tech friends. Remember, information is power, and with Nmap, you hold the keys.